This is the liquid glass design that we wanted. iOS 26 public beta is finally here, and I have downloaded and installed it. You can see the liquid glass effect as you scroll through notifications on the lock screen. This effect is here and there all through the UI in different places as you use the phone. You can see it all here. The nice thing about iOS 26 public beta is that it is much closer to the look and feel of the original liquid glass design that was released with the first developer beta of the software. Apparently, after that first beta was released, a number of developers complained about legibility of text on the display, and Apple had to tweak and fine-tune it, mostly getting rid of most of that effect. And again, that met with some backlash. I felt that that original look was good, and I'm glad to see that it's back here. It's as close to the original. There are some differences here and there. The legibility of text has been improved, but now we really, once again, feel like we have the liquid glass design back, and that's a win in my books. I really loved that look. I really love this look. Note that beta software pretty much means that something can go wrong. If you want to try this out, you're trying it out at your risk. Your microphone may refuse to work, the camera may refuse to launch. Something can go wrong. So Apple says, don't install this on a device that you use daily, that you depend on daily. So far, I haven't noticed anything, but that doesn't mean those issues do not exist. How do you download and install this on your device? I'm including a link to an earlier video that I have done showing you how to get iOS beta updates. But pretty much, if you have signed up for developer beta, when you come to the software update page in your iPhone settings, what you need to do is now come here and select public beta, because what you had selected was developer beta. If you select public beta and then you go back here, the phone will connect to the server and then display the public beta for you to download and install here. If you were not signed up to the developer beta, the iOS 26 developer beta seen here will not display anyway. You'd get only the public beta directly, and you can just download and install. But do check out that video that I published earlier about how to get either the developer beta or the public beta of iOS software. Once you do that, you download, you install, depending on how fast your internet connection is. This particular update was about over 7 gigabytes in size, rather large if you ask me, and understandably so. You need a fast internet connection to get this done. If it's not so fast, you wait an hour, maybe more. But if it's fast enough, in a matter of minutes, it should be done and be able to enjoy the new iOS 26 public beta. Liquid glass looks smooth on this. I haven't tested anything else on the phone to be sure what works, what doesn't work. And what works and what doesn't work will likely differ from phone to phone anyway. So even if I were to find something here, it doesn't mean that's exactly what it will be on your own device. But here it is, iOS 26 public beta. I'm glad to see it. I look forward to playing with it over the next few days to see what I find. But it looks good. This is the liquid glass design that we wanted. Thanks for watching this. Don't forget to like it, follow my channel, turn on your notifications. I always have new videos sharing helpful information for you. Take care.